Aboard an Indonesian tall ship. Next.
CapeCast.
Captain Bushy, what do you make of all this?
Well, I think it's a wonderful opportunity for the Indonesian cadets to come to see our college. I'm a little saddened that it's during intersession and we don't have too many cadets here. I don't know how they maintain that level of enthusiasm. First of all, the Indonesian people, if you've ever been there, it's a wonderful place. They're very happy people, and it's such a pleasure to see them come here. I wish I could get about a tenth of that, perhaps, from my cadets sometimes.
Would you ever think of incorporating that into a training cruise?
I don't know. They only have 65 cadets aboard. I got 600. So.
That'd be some dancing right there.
Yeah, sure would.
Are they having a dance-off?
It looks like they are. It looks like we're losing sorely here. Not sorely, but poorly.
This ship is very, very lovely and beautiful, but because I'm crossing the Pacific, I'm crossing the Atlantic, I feel like the real man.
This is real sailing.
Yeah, it's the real thing, it's the real man. Yeah, because I'm crossing the Pacific, crossing Atlantic, and around the world.
Now, can the public come down over the next day or so and take a look at this thing?
Yeah, for the next 2 days, from 8 o'clock in the morning until 6 o'clock at night, the ship is open for tours on Tuesday and Wednesday.